Someone just bought your course on ThriveCart. Now you have to register them for your webinar manually. Here's how to automate it in under 2 minutes. No code and one ready-made template. Start inside viaSocket. From the left sidebar, open Templates. There are over 150 ready-to-use templates here. Click the search bar and type ThriveCart. Then pick ThriveCart from the app suggestions to filter the library down. 14 ThriveCart automations ready to go. The one we want is auto-register ThriveCart customers to Zoom webinars. Click it. The template shows exactly what it does in 2 steps. A ThriveCart purchase triggers it. Zoom then adds that buyer as a webinar registrant. Now configure step 1, the trigger. Choose your ThriveCart connection. If this is your first time, click Add New to connect your account. Click Test. viaSocket pulls in a real purchase payload with the customer name, email, product, and order details. That's the data your Zoom step will use. Save it. Step 2 is Zoom. Pick your Zoom connection, or use Add New if you have not linked Zoom yet. Then select the host user. Now choose which webinar they get registered for. Pick it from the list, or paste the webinar ID directly. First name and email are already mapped to the ThriveCart customer. The template did that for you. Save and next. One last click. Go live and your flow is running. From here on, every ThriveCart purchase registers that customer in Zoom automatically. And if you want more, like a welcome email, a Slack alert, or a row in Google Sheets, switch to the advanced flow and add a step. That's ThriveCart to Zoom, fully automated in one template. And you can explore the template library to install more templates. Try it free at viaSocket.com.